Find features that distinguish it from other brands for FUMMDUS Meet Thermometer Digital. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Clear backlit display and hold function. The instant thermometer digital with bright blue backlight means you can always read the temperature, whether you are grilling in the dark or baking in your kitchen. With a hold button, no more lingering near the heat to read the current temperature. Instant read and high accuracy. Our instant read thermometer features a sensitive probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions, meet temperature chart, comes pre-calibrated for your convenience. Waterproof and durable design. Waterproof technology can protect the machine during use and clean to extend service life. High-quality body and food-grade probe ensure durable and safe, up to 3,000 hours with included 3A battery. Versatile and useful. Wide measuring range, -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, of the cooking thermometer for meat is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, candy making and more. Directly turns on/off the grill thermometer by opening/closing the temperature probe, simply get the temperature result at any moment. Eco-friendly and sustainable design. FUMMDUS Instant Read Thermometer uses sustainable materials, ensuring safety and eco-friendliness. Its energy-efficient design and durable build reduce waste, making it a green choice for eco-conscious cooks. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.